On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 25 of Mandarin Chinese. Today, we continue learning about types of buildings and structures. A theater is called 剧院. 剧院. An apartment is called 公寓. 公寓. A temple is called 寺庙. 寺庙. A church is called 教堂. 教堂. Now, let's review the words again. 剧院, 公寓, 寺庙, 教堂. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.